Welcome to MVP Autos, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content. Suzuki has officially unveiled the next generation 2025 Suzuki Mehran, marking a significant comeback for one of the most iconic hatchbacks in the region. The new series of Mehran has been completely revamped with modern features, better design, and improved performance, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers. At first glance, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran boasts a refreshed exterior with a sleeker and more aerodynamic design. The classic boxy look has been refined with smoother curves, a stylish front grille, and updated headlights equipped with LED technology for better visibility. The compact yet modernized design gives it a fresh appeal while maintaining its identity as an affordable and practical city car. Under the hood, Suzuki has made significant improvements. The new Mehran is expected to feature a fuel-efficient 800cc or possibly a 1000cc engine, providing better performance and mileage than its predecessors. The upgraded engine promises enhanced fuel efficiency, which is a key factor for daily commuters and budget-conscious drivers. Additionally, Suzuki has introduced an improved transmission system, ensuring a smoother driving experience. The interior of the 2025 Suzuki Mehran has also received major upgrades. Unlike its older versions, which were quite basic, this new model comes with a more refined dashboard, improved seating comfort, and better material quality. The addition of a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and basic safety features like airbags and ABS brakes make it a much safer and more modern choice for drivers. One of the biggest highlights of the new Suzuki Mehran is its affordability. Suzuki has designed this vehicle to remain within an economical price range, making it accessible to a large customer base. Given the rise in automobile prices, the introduction of an affordable yet modernized car is expected to be well received in the market. In terms of competition, the new Mehran will be going up against other budget-friendly hatchbacks in the market. However, its legacy, fuel efficiency, and the trust associated with Suzuki's brand name give it a strong edge. Suzuki has officially confirmed that the 2025 Mehran will be launching in multiple color options and with different trim levels, catering to a wide range of customers. Whether you're a student, a small family, or someone looking for an affordable second car, this model is set to offer great value for money. With its modern design, improved features, and economical pricing, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is set to make waves in the automotive industry. As always, MVP Autos will keep you updated on all the latest news, reviews, and test drives of this exciting new launch. So, what are your thoughts on the all-new Suzuki Mehran? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MVP Autos, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.